Introduction to Python Linters.
The Python Linters are tools that analyze your code for errors, style issues, and potential bugs. They help catch problems early and keep your code base clean and readable. With several popular options available, choosing the right linter can make a big difference in your coding experience. Let's explore the top 5 Python linters and what sets each apart.
Pylint, the customizable Powerhouse.
Pylint is a feature-rich linter known for its deep analysis and detailed reports. It checks code quality, style, and even detects certain bugs. Highly configurable, Pylint lets you enable or disable specific checks to fit your project's needs. If you want comprehensive coverage and flexibility, Pylint is a solid choice for individual developers and teams alike.
Flake 8, the lightweight standard.
Flake 8 is popular for its simplicity and speed. It combines several tools, including Pyflakes for error detection and Pycode style for style checks. Flake 8 is easy to set up and integrates well with editors and continuous integration pipelines. For those who want straightforward, effective style and error checking without too much setup, Flake 8 is a go-to solution.
Black, the opinionated formatter.
Black isn't a traditional linter, but rather a code formatter that enforces a uniform style. By automatically reformatting your Python code, Black eliminates style debates among teams. It encourages consistency and can work alongside other linters. Choose Black when you want to focus on coding, not formatting. Just set it and forget it.
Pyflakes, fast error detection.
Pyflakes is all about speed and simplicity. It quickly finds errors in your code, like unused imports and undefined variables, without checking for style preferences. Its minimalist approach makes it perfect for large projects where fast syntax error detection is key. Pair Pyflakes with a style linter for full coverage.
Mypy, type checking for Python.
Mypy brings static type checking to Python, a language known for its dynamic typing. It checks that your code matches the type hints you've provided, helping catch type-related bugs early. While not a traditional linter, Mypy is an invaluable tool for projects that use type annotations to improve code reliability and clarity.
Choosing the right linter for you.
Selecting a linter depends on your project's needs and coding style. For broad analysis and customization, try Pylint. For quick setup and integration, Flake 8 is ideal. Add Black for automatic formatting, Pyflakes for ultra-fast syntax checks, and Mypy if you use type hints. Experiment to find the right combination for clean, robust Python code.